Welding. It's the backbone of industry, holding together everything from bridges to battleships. And you know where welding really takes flight? Aircraft construction. We're talking about planes that soar through the sky, carrying hundreds of passengers. That kind of responsibility requires some serious welding, and that's where submerged arc welding, or SAW, comes in. Now, SAW isn't your backyard welding operation. This is heavy-duty stuff, used to fuse together massive pieces of metal with incredible strength. Think of it like underwater welding, but instead of water, it uses a blanket of flux, a special granular material that protects the weld from the air and impurities. Sounds pretty cool, right? This process is perfect for making long, continuous welds, and it's a game-changer when it comes to building aircraft. Why? Because SAW helps create strong, reliable joints that can handle the incredible stresses and strains of flight. Without it, our planes wouldn't be safe or even able to get off the ground. So, how does this whole underwater, or should I say underflux welding thing actually work? Well, picture this. You've got two big pieces of metal you need to join. First, you position a consumable electrode wire above the joint. This wire is like the welding rod, except it's fed continuously by a machine. Then, the magic happens. An electric arc forms between the electrode and the metal, generating intense heat. We're talking thousands of degrees Fahrenheit. This heat melts both the electrode and the edges of the metal, creating a molten pool. And that's where the flux comes in. Remember that special granular material we talked about? It's constantly fed into the joint ahead of the arc. This flux blanket does some pretty amazing things. It shields the weld from the air, preventing oxidation, and it helps control the heat, ensuring a deep penetrating weld. As the electrode moves along the joint, the molten metal, protected by the flux, cools and solidifies. The result? A super strong continuous weld that's smooth, uniform, and ready to take on the challenges of flight. Now, you might be thinking, there are lots of welding processes out there. What makes SAW so special for aircraft? Well, for starters, SAW is incredibly efficient. We're talking about high deposition rates, meaning it can lay down a lot of weld metal in a short amount of time. That's a big deal when you're building something as massive as an airplane. But it's not just about speed, it's about quality too. SAW produces deep, penetrating welds that are less prone to defects. And because the weld is protected by the flux, there's less spatter, resulting in a cleaner, smoother finish. Less cleanup for the welders, which is always a good thing. And here's another big plus: safety. SAW produces far fewer fumes and UV radiation compared to other welding processes. That means a healthier working environment for the welders, which is something I'm always happy to see. But perhaps the most significant advantage for aircraft construction is SAW's ability to be automated. Think robots. This means increased precision, consistency, and productivity. Crucial factors when you're dealing with the strict tolerances and high standards of the aerospace industry. So, where exactly is SAW used in aircraft construction? All over. We're talking about critical structural components like the fuselage, the main body of the plane that holds everything together. Then there's the landing gear, which takes the brunt of the force during takeoff and landing. And let's not forget about the engine mounts, responsible for securely holding those powerful engines in place. These components need to be incredibly strong and reliable, and that's where SAW shines. It's the go-to process for joining the high-strength steel alloys commonly used in aircraft construction. These alloys are tough, durable, and can handle the extreme conditions that aircraft face, from sub-zero temperatures at high altitudes to the scorching heat of takeoff and landing. In the end, SAW plays a vital role in ensuring the structural integrity and safety of aircraft. It's a process that combines speed, efficiency, precision, and safety, all essential ingredients in the high-stakes world of aircraft construction. So the next time you're soaring through the sky, remember the unsung hero of aviation: submerged arc welding, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you safe and sound.